You're on the 300 Boys YouTube channel.
So, 5-second backstory. Bought a set of plastics off Craigslist. Actually, Facebook. I don't know what year am I in, 2002. Off Facebook Marketplace. They were completely covered in paint. I didn't get any of this side. I've already used it. What I'm going to show you guys is some aircraft paint remover. Removing plastic or paints from plastics on a 300EX. You can see there's the pieces of plastic that have come off, or paint that have come off the plastic. So give me a sec, I'll show you guys what we're doing. All right, hopefully you guys can hear me. We got these plastics done on the bottom side here. You can see what it came out like. And I'm gonna show you guys real quick. That's what we got to work with on the top side. It was a lot worse. I spent a lot of time. These plastics were completely black when I got them. I've been trying to pick this off. So first step is here. You're going to want to get all of your dirt and grass and everything off of your plastics. And then this here's the stuff I'm using. You can get this at your local auto parts store. I think Walmart has it too. It's aircraft paint remover, non-methylene chloride. Don't know what that means. Anyways, this is stuff I'm going to use. Just shake it up real good. We're going to give that a second to dry. And then we're just going to liberally coat the entire thing. And wait 10 minutes. All right, so I went ahead and like you guys seen there, pressure wash this off, and we'll make sure it's completely dry. I went ahead and wiped it off with a rag. And then, like I say, you're just gonna apply this stuff very generously all over. And make sure you cut the entire plastic, at least where the paint is. I just coat the entire plastic, make sure, because this stuff can pull some grease and stuff like that out of your paint too. It's a pretty high strength remover, so be generous with it. I've already well, you guys seen I did the backside first there. That's because I want to do a test area first to make sure that it's not going to harm the plastics, and it didn't harm the plastics on this machine, or at least on this set of plastics. So we're going to go ahead and coat the front with it very generously. Not worried about it burning the plastic or nothing like that. It didn't on the backside as far as I can tell. So we'll just go ahead and get that too, just so we did it all. All right, see you guys in a minute when this stuff's, we're gonna let it sit for 10 minutes, come back with the pressure washer, and it should all just blow off. Alrighty guys, it's been 10 minutes. You can see what we got to work with here. That stuff's done its work on the paint. She's already starting to tip up and stuff, so let's get the pressure washer fired up and see what it does. All right, you guys can see there, it's peeling her right off. It's not gonna fly off in sheets like I figured, so I'm gonna have to do a little bit of pressure washing, but I'll pressure wash it and bring you guys back when I'm done, show you guys what we got. All right, so you can see what we got after the first application here. This stuff was pretty thick. It turns out there's 2 coats of black on there. And then you can see there was green and blue as well. So anyhow, I'm gonna let this dry for a second, apply a second coat. And then hopefully that should soften it enough, take it all the rest of the way off. All right, there you guys can see, second coat is applied. A lot less paint than before. Hopefully this will pull all the rest off, we'll see. All right, 10 minutes has passed and it looks like she's peeling the paint again. So hopefully we can get her all off this time. Let's give her a try. right, guys, you can see there on the second application, peeling it all right off. So give me a few, I'll show you guys what I got to work with when I'm done. All right, guys, so here's the finished product. I just got done pressure washing off all the old paint and stuff. Like I say, with 2 coats of that aircraft paint remover. I did use the whole can. I did the underside too, so that was part of it. But took all of our paint off. Didn't look like it harmed our plastics any. You can see there we will have to do a little bit of restoration to them with probably a little heat and sanding and whatnot. But they are all red now, one piece, one solid color, no paint. So one step closer. Thanks for watching, guys.